Hello guys, hello YouTube. We have shoes on a Q7 6-liter TDI V12. Really rare car. Hello guys, hello YouTube. We have Audi Q7 today, a really rare car in UK. I believe they're between 5 and 10 on the road, maybe less. Down the comment, just write what you know about the Q7. It's not a normal Q7. If you look the exhaust, probably mentioned already, or you know what it is. I'm just gonna move here. We have a ceramic brakes today. So, for a couple months ago we did for the same car, the starter motor, because that's a V12 6-liter TDI. So not many of you probably know what it is, but who knows, you know. Yeah, so it's rare car, really rare car. We have a big how to say, work on car like this. It's one of my friend's cars. Don't think he's a millionaire, just he likes the cars. So yeah, what we're doing today is shoes, because it was due for MOT, but suddenly the shoes here are gone. Literally nothing left except the bottom one, which is cracked really badly. So today the job is gonna be to replace the shoes, which actually Euro car parts they added. Really weird. They're here, fudge it. So this is the job for today. I will show you everything. I will show you the torques. I will show you how to take the brake disc, a ceramic brake disc. You know how much they're expensive are, how much they cost. So we're gonna be trying to be careful as much as we can. Okay, so we're using M16 spline, or what it's called, stars for the brake calipers. Nothing fancy as a normal car. Don't worry. It's expensive brake disc and parts, but it's as normal car. Just that one. You have to use that too. Here is the bolt for the caliper. One out. Second one. So the caliper is ready to be removed. Leave it on the side, touch to the big cable to make sure it's not gonna drop off. Okay, next one, that one, and that one here. Whoa, yes. Second pair of hands always helps, man. Always, guys. Ooh. You're gonna use the hammer. So probably some of you are gonna mention the disc is cracked here, but this is not because I hammered it. I just went back to the laptop to check the footage, and actually the disc was already like this. So it's not my fault, it's not our fault. Just in future, maybe some gonna say because you hammered it, but actually wasn't. It was already like this. So we're gonna see how it looks like inside. Voila! So another surprise. The dust and everything. So actually look at how the disc is cracked here. Can you see it on the... Yeah. So we see what's gonna do with that one. The biggest problem is here now. Look at missing pieces. Actually no, look at. And here on the bottom as well. So yeah. This is the result. Shiny. Everything is assembled. Clean as much as you can. They didn't touch it because we don't have spare one, and they can just get off the size. To adjust them and they're ready. Go. Clean it inside as well. We know it's not perfect, but for now that's gonna be better. It's better with if you don't clean it, so just clean it inside. So the bolts for the calipers are 180 Newton meters. 180. So last thing, 160 Newton meters. The wheels. So that's just like this. Checking. Yep. This is it. Shoes on a Q7 6-liter TDI V12. It's really rare car. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you now the engine. And look at that beauty. V12 TDI. With a big ceramic brakes, guys. On 21 wheels. Really beautiful car. So yeah, thank you very much for the watching. If you like that video, subscribe, like the video, ring the bell for notification. Thank you very much one more time. Until next time, please like, subscribe, share with your friends if you like. If you don't like, just unlike. But thank you very much for your trust, for your support, for everything. See ya until next time. Hope I help somebody.